Welcome to the seamless world of crypto deposits on Pi42. Convert your USDT to INR effortlessly. On to the crypto deposit tab. While we plan to support various coins, our initial phase welcomes USDT deposits. The crucial network field represents the blockchain network over which you will send us USDT. Be it ERC20, TRC20, or BNB Smart Chain, we have got you covered. Upon selecting the network, a unique crypto wallet address is generated. This is your personalized deposit point on Pi42. Easily copy this address. Now venture to your preferred crypto wallet like MetaMask or any exchange wallet. Initiate a send transaction. Deposit the USDT amount to the copied Pi42 address. Behind the scenes, our sophisticated crypto wallet management system is at work. Once your USDT deposit is received, it's instantly converted into INR. Your Pi42 INR wallet receives the converted amount in real time. For transparency, every step from depositing crypto, conversion to INR credit is recorded and easily accessible. With Pi42, experience a crypto to INR journey that's swift, secure, and straightforward.